Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well and fine. So today we are going to learn something new, and this is called the debit and credit account ledger, and we will see how to maintain this ledger in Microsoft Excel. And this can be a very useful table, and it can be used in businesses as well as for household purpose as well. So I request you to watch this video till it ends, so you will learn something new and you will learn how to maintain your ledger. So for that I have created this table which is called debit and credit account ledger, and below that I have created few columns. First is the serial number, then the date, then the description, then debit, credit, balance. And now we will start filling them one by one. So in serial number we will simply type 1, then 2, and we will select these two and we will drag it till the last. And in the date column, for example, if we type 01, so that is 1st January 2022, and we just simply have to drag it again just like the serial number. And now in the description column we will mention if we have an income or if we have an expense. So suppose if we have an income, so we will simply write income. And so suppose if we have an income of 3000, then we will write all our incomes in the debit column. So first I should mention here income, and credit is expense. Then we will write 3000 in the debit or income column. We will leave the expense column for now. And so you must know the balance is calculated as per income less expenses. So our formula for that will be equals to sign, then income minus expense. So there is no expense right now, so our balance is showing 3000. Now we'll go to the second row and we'll write expense. So suppose if we have an expense of 1500, then we will write 1500 in the column credit or expense. But the tricky part here is how will we calculate the balance now. So we will use this formula equals to balance plus the current income less the current expense. So it will show you the current balance in your account. So let's go back to this formula again and understand it. So I've taken the previous balance and added the current income and removed the current expense from it. So it will give you the correct balance. So now we will simply drag this balance till row number 9, and you can see it is showing 1500 in all these cells, because in these cells there is no income and there is no expense. So now we'll go to the description box again, and again suppose we have an income of suppose 4000. So this is what the balance cell is doing. So it is currently adding the previous balance into the current income, and it is also deducting the current expense. So it is showing 5500. So now we will go to row number 4, and let's say we have an expense of 2000. So it is again doing the same thing. So it is adding the previous balance to the current income, which is 0 for this month, and it is subtracting the current expense. So it is showing the remaining balance. And again we have an income in next month, suppose 2000, and suppose we have an expense in that particular month as well. So suppose we have an expense of 500, so it will automatically do all the calculations. You only just have to apply the formula once, and it will take care of the rest. So here we can write expense as well, because we have, so here we can write expense as well, because we have income as well as expense in this month. Then again expense, which is 1000, then again income of 3000, then again income, let's say 2500, and then again expense of 500. So I have shown you this example on monthly basis. You can calculate it on daily or weekly, or every 15 days you can do it. So now what we'll do is we will take this row into consideration and apply the border, and we will merge these three cells, and we will write total. We will bold it. Then we will use the formula here of sum to calculate how much income we have generated in this particular period. We'll close this and press enter, and now we will calculate how much expenses we have done in this particular period. Then again we'll use the sum formula, or you can simply drag from the previous cell and press enter, and now we will calculate the balance. So we will bold this as well. So now we will calculate the balance here. So for the balance, again income less expense equals to income less expense. So it will again show you the closing balance. So you will see it is matching out the closing balance. So here it is also showing 9000, and here also we have got 9000 as our closing balance. So using this table you can maintain your balance sheet for your homely accounts, or you can use this table for your business expenses as well. I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.